But it's been a minute since I've done a flurry run, so. Flurry only feels better if you loop, from what I've found. Even then, if you loop, your strafe's gonna be good, just as good, if not better, depending on your loadout, right? And crit is still good with strafe. It's not like you're giving up anything. Take strafe. Even though it might feel that way. Ubo. You see a scrapper. See a lunar pod, which is unfortunate. Is what it is. We move. 3 lunar pods on that grove, by the way. Maybe 4, actually. I don't remember. A lot of equipment barrels on this stage. Fine by me. Card. Doesn't super impress me so far. Try shop. That chest. It does appear that that's my sales star chest. Did we get Halcyon this stage? Can't tell. Ugh. Transmitter, huh? There's a gas, which is nice. Guillotine. For a little bit in the damage department sometime soon. Bro. I guess a bear is slightly better than that. This is kind of crazy. Stage doesn't have a ton of loot on it. I'm noticing. It is crit, I guess. I guess we should look for blue portals since we didn't get Halcyon, yeah? That's fine. Yeah, what is happening to my frames? Hello? We haven't dropped many frames. We're chilling as of right now. So I forgot how big the mod list had gotten. That's so funny. And the longer a game stays alive, the more opportunity people have to find problems with it. And for those problems to be fixable, like easily enough to fix, and annoying enough to want to fix. Right, and then the gas, and we can dip ski. Make sure. Yeah. Scrapper. That's the teddy bear printer. And our portal's up top. Sweet, dude. I want to get portal anyways. Portal's cringe. That should help a lot here. The 1 gas FMP. Holy. This is so powerful. I think I got too far. Oh no, he decided not to laser me. The kind gentleman. Sailstar? Ah, that's good. Would have loved that last run. Would have made my job a whole lot easier. But that run was winnable. So. Not the game's fault. Do we want to keep the brooch since we have an FMP in our inventory? I guess. Yeah, I guess we just get rid of the 2 greens. And decide what we get out of this. Nah, we're getting rid of the brooch. I thought about it. I do just like that sometimes it'll spawn like here. Like if the altitude difference isn't that big. I guess it's better than it spawning like just, yeah, on top of you, I guess. Is this stack again? Yeah. I do wish stacking, maybe instead of decreasing the cooldown, it increased the duration. That might be nice. It's super early, we'll keep Shorm. Dude, Aphelion? It has been so long since I've been in Aphelion. We will see if we get another gas, because I might just go on to this speed printer. Because right now, only the gas is the thing I dislike losing for speed. I actually dislike you. I want you dead. Probably should have waited to proc bans with my R, but it's fine. I see a lot of tri-shops. So I'm kind of hoping for some card value here. We get a lot of card value here. Okay, tri-shops. 2 chests there. Chest there, chest there, okay. More speed in there. Normal. And 4 equipment barrel. Bonkus printer, holy. Normal chest, okay. Let's check on top. There's portal. Printer with crit. Holy. Halcyon Shrine, interesting. And then there should be, wait. I know, it's just back here. Just hidden. And there should be one more chest over here. What the? Nice TP spawn. Should be one more over here, yeah? I did see 2 chest icons. Maybe it's at the bottom here? Interesting. Oh, one at the bottom, I see. I don't know why I did that. I'm now realizing that's just gonna be annoying. No scrappers, so we're just going to get the speed that we can. Crowbar, no thank you. Sticky bomb's fine, I guess. There was a chest over here. That's lovely. Take the brooch because we have the FMP. But it'll probably get scrapped. SAP. That's just a waited to see if we get another. Oh, okay, the crit is flowing. We need another one this stage as well. And like honestly, 5 is when you start to actually feel good. It's not better at 5, but it starts to feel good. 5. This 5 is just when it feels like the proc coefficient is, you know, feels overcome. The negative of the proc coefficient. Oh, I'm just taking that damage for shits and giggles at this point. Yes. Okay, and then that'll be my Soulstar chest. Number 2. I feel like getting this guy off the map is not going to be very difficult in this scenario. As a matter of fact, I probably can do it right there. Right? Just get him to reset. Or, like, cancel his own dash at me. Oh, hey, unicorn. Can I get some spawns? What are you in? I know you just want to spawn something horrific, but, like, I don't think you understand how bad proc coefficients are. And, like, you can feel it. I mean, you know how Rex feels like he just does less damage? The numbers on the abilities aren't terrible. They're pretty average for those kind of abilities. That 0.5 just feels so bad in comparison to the 1.0s for other characters. Same thing here. That 0.7 hurts. And bleed really isn't an option until you go full crit. Or like Shatter Spleen. Because of that duration decrease as well. Oh, I'm way too close to you. Easy. I forgot that's what that teleported you, yeah. Okay. Meh. That's it, just very meh. I'll chuck you over here. Is there a demon in there? There is. Rewarded. Now next stage, just give me a crit and a bleed printer, and we're like, and a crit and a speed printer. Does Shadowsplane give you the 0.5, by the way? It doesn't give you the natural crit. Just think about that, because Thorn obviously does. Give the 10% natural bleed. Ugh. Wish I had a scrap for this stage. I'm being real. Not bad greens, but I'm not willing to give up my sales star now. Hello? Oh, the other equipment. Kaggers is cool, I guess, but Skaker's meat? Or what? We're at 26% crit? Not bad. But the problem is, like, at this point, the build would be much better with Strafe. From loading in until now, I will tell you guys when the build would have been worse with Strafe. Okay, I need to find a sales star target. We do have a key, so if nothing else fails, there is another large chest here. Yeah, I already feel the damage problems. Guy has 1 billion HP. Yeah, you also have a frighteningly large amount of HP. 405, okay. Got another Halcyon Shrine. Lord. We're chaining. Oh, gas there. Echo printer, crowbar printer, ow. I don't know why I let myself get hit by that, but certainly a choice. Plug a printer with a large chest. Old War Stealth Kit. Sweet. I really am overjoyed. Chaining. Director. AP round printer. Antler printer. That's just printer row, holy. Printer row and still no scrapper, I bet. I guess we should hold off for another sales star, possibly. Opal in there. Seems very good. Take another watch. Crit are a little bit more valuable than watches to us, yeah. Obviously they're valuable, most valuable together. Multiplying of damage sources, but 1 for 1. Crit's a little better if I have Flurry. Better for my M1 damage. That's actually kind of nice. There's my key box. Grab it now. That's really nice. That puts us up to 30% or 31%. Dude, I mean, yeah, we'll keep taking them. What's the other thing? Question mark? Give me the gas. I actually would love a good Shadowsplane Flurry build. It's been a minute. And then another map where we're just going to be able to guide Halcyon to his death. That was funny. I was just thinking to myself, well, Crick is more crit, but it's not really. Come this way, idiot. Could you please aggro me? No way. Yep. It all looks incredibly mid. Like, I guess it's more green scrap, whatever. Give. Oh, we get a stealth kit. Dude. I might want to get upset enough at the way they scaled Corrector to make it like what it actually is. I think that it would be just fine if it worked how it should. It's so underwhelming as of right now. Question is, do we have enough green slop that we are willing to hit the red? Because we have 2 Sail Stars. Chance both Sail Stars. I mean, they would have to take both Sail Stars. That's a lot of green slop. Depends. If it's headset, probably. I don't think I want to go to the sun. I mean, it does give me somewhere to send my... What's it called? I would rather not get Sirens for that. Decent stage. I preferred better items, but... I'm sure the Scrapper on this next stage is going to be so good. It's going to hit so well. For Boomerang. And I'm forced to Grove. Oh, I'm going to roll it. I'm going to roll it. I'm going to roll it. This is so dumb. I'm not feeling for Fields. I do have 2 Bungus. That could make up for it. Yeah, actually, that's the right play. Let's go to Fields. Fields should be really useful here. I wish I didn't have the PSG, but... Because if we do get Sirens to your Fields, should bridge the gap of how much loot we're getting between Sirens and Abyssal. Let's hold back the full. Look around for some stuff. Let's do some scouting. Gas printer. Pretty interesting. 2 chests there. Not a huge fan of this spot, I'll be honest. If it's like Gunners, that could be bad. It's Bells. How bad is that? Oh, it's really not that bad at all, actually. I just need to be paying good attention here. Not goobing it up. I have a billion Cell Stars. Do you have a Scrapper down there? Oh, dang. This would have been the perfect spot to do my scrapping. Oh, I guess we can go now. Right? Oh, what am I doing? Trolling is what I'm doing. Where is it? It's over there, okay. This is fine. Oh, this is even better. Sweet. PSG. And you two. And Warhorn and Braincoats. I'd love to start taking chests. But I've been stalling out to try to get something with my Sail Star. Maybe that's the wrong move. Maybe I should just be stuff up and going now. Rather than waiting to look for a large chest. Dream. I really just don't think there's a large chest on this stage. Do I just have that equipment barrel done? Is that what this means? It's just fine by me. I might leave here with a decent number of gas, to be honest. Speed is nice. Gas is nice. Another Sail Star for chaining. Ow. Oops. It's my 3rd Sail Star, by the way. Do I want to hit this vent? That's the question. Let's burn the gas first, I think. Yeah. We'll make an executive decision. I don't love the idea of these guys turning the corner on me. Question is, how much of this gas do we really want to lead with? Honestly, 7 seems fine. I still have 2. Maybe I should keep 1. Go to the backup mags, to be honest. Okay. Get my backup mag back. That's nice. Where is it? Hold. Gas. Okay, let's just go. Keeping the Bungus just because I'm worried about losing the watches here. Oh. Close. Alright, we missed one chest on this side. 2 chests? 3 chests. Okay. But we got all of our scrap, and even though we're here, which I would have preferred not to be, our loot is actually not that different to if we had not gotten sirenced. For it. Honestly, I probably could have done the mushies and kept going, but at that point, it's just a little too risky for me. Don't like that spot, and mushrooms can be unpredictable. Not that it could be unpredictable, but I get spaced out into a really bad spot with those. We have to kill AWU first, which sucks. Pretty heavy, I'll be honest. I just thought about I could try to boop him. Do I think I'm fast enough? Maybe with red whip out. I might be fast enough, actually. That's correct there. That is a red, by the way. He's out of radals as well. Surely 3 sail stars gets us there, yeah. This is an one extra red. Or 2 extra reds, because we get 1 from the natural sail star. We're probably just going to proc him anyways, because of the gas. I don't know, the gas typically just ends up proccing him eventually. It's unfortunate. I'm not sure exactly what the angle on this is supposed to be to boop him. Yeah, I don't know. This is gonna take forever, dude. We're actually gonna be fighting this guy all stage. Because we don't have like an ignition tank or anything to multiply our damage heavily. Okay. It's like a decent chunk. As long as we get our band timings right, and keep our cranching up. Oh! My equipment drone just tanked an entire barrage. That's crazy. Okay, timing's back up. Oh, I just got owned. Good band proc. Good answer, good answer. Bye. Thank you. Okay, those are all good items. You know what? Hot, I'll say it. Those are good items. I think I'm just gonna take a little. To be honest with you. Surely one of these is a plasma shrimp, right? You want needle tick? Yeah, you do want needle tick. That's actually the one decent item. Did I see a scrapper? No, it's a key I left. I don't think there's any equipment on this stage, so. Wow. Void Band. No. You guys have more HP than freaking AWU did, man. Second time in a row, though, that I've gotten Pocket SCVM and not gotten anything to go with it so far. So, let's see how that goes. Every stage but first so far has had a Halcyon, by the way. It's interesting. Okay, portal. Hello? A lot of crunch ends up hitting, huh? Wow. I got a shark in front. Wait, one of them didn't drop an item. Am I tweaking? Where's my item? This should help us get a lot more white items, like crit and speed, which will be very helpful. I need is an ATG. No spaces, obviously. A feather. Feather would be lovely. I feel like a broken record. Yeah, I'm glad we went to Bradle. I mean, to Void Seed Fields, because this could have been a really rough stage 4, could I not? We outscaled it quite well. That's good. Take the large chest first. I'd like to go to Sail Star. Chance Doll? It's pretty late, but could be useful next stage. Alright, let's see everything. I missed a missile drone. Oh, I need to grab drones. I have Drone Man. What am I doing? We're gonna go to Gordle now? Yeah. Now I'm down to go to Gordle. I have 3 Sail Stars. Let's me proc Sail Star one more time. Okay, I need to leave now. Just troublesome. Oh, did I hit him in the back? Oh, Lord. Speed and slug is fine. I am very satisfied with our speed, though. Yeah, I'm not sure if I need more gas. Could be nice. The FMP build ever goes anywhere. Yeah, that was good, typically. Well, this is gonna be lovely. I forgot I had. Yeah. Oh, I just realized I'm gonna. Oh, I love movement speed. It's actually just the best. So shut out hard light, you know? We're not gonna one cycle them, are we? Not at this rate. Wow, that took way too long. I should have waited here. Or I guess it does pause, doesn't it? So it doesn't matter. I should have gotten to an hour before we dip. That's fine. No worm though. Right, I see Bottle, I see Thorn, I see a Chance Shrine. I do see that's a possible Sail Star target. It's intriguing. You want to hold off to see if there's a legendary chest. That is priority. That guy's really good. We can leave him on the stage pretty easily as well. Oh, second Solace. So we can get Empathy Core as drone. He's in for equipment multi-shop right now. Just trying to assess the situation. Yes, that's exactly what I was hoping that would be doing. So that feels like a pretty good shot. Ooh. I mean, it's gotta be spaces. Right? Pretty sure there's no legendary chest. I'm not 100% positive. That means... Oh, wait. I have a headset right now. I mean, a headset would be... We get along well right now. So, that's all I'm saying. Alright, let's rip it. I don't know if there is a green print on the stage. Let's hold off on that. We will take you. Rin. Oh, it's here. It has arrived. Bask in its glory. Wow. Ow, that's my face. Wow, I'm broke, really. Chance Shrines really ran me poor like that. Wow. Oh! Are we taking FMP out of here? Pocket ICBM, ATG. Balance are actually quite nice now. There's no way I'm keeping that FMP, I think. There's just no way. Would love another equipment slot though, so I could juggle it, maybe. Maybe one equipment slot. I guess we haven't finished the Chant Shrine on the bottom yet. That could be equipment slot. So get this one down here. Wow. Magical. Waste, unfortunate. Oh, that's so good. Feels like impossible to say no to a safer spaces here. But like, I'm more likely to get spaces. How much green scrap am I at? I'm at 7 with no regen scrap. We did reroll the regen scrap, didn't we? I'm almost too fast, bro. Wait, does that mean I don't need spaces? I'm trying to cope the spaces, but I know I'm gonna have to take it. I have so many reds, dude. I don't have a scrapper. So it means I'm not gonna be able to get rid of all my gas and stuff. So maybe we do want to keep the FMP? I don't have a fuel cell or a soulbound. So I guess not alive at all. Like, how much is it really going to help on the moon? Right? I mean, you already see, like, the gas is not my damage. My damage has long since traversed into my actual abilities now. With ATGs... I do have a scrapper. What am I talking about? It's literally right under me. Like, I think I can finally just kill this guy normally. Holy, my damage is actually good enough. That's crazy. Hold on. Oh my god. That's such a good item. Oh my god. It's gonna be a crazy run. A crazy boss fight at least. Yeah, let's go reroll that FMP, because we have a scrapper. And we might just take the recycler limit. Like, that's more value, I think. Yeah. Nah, come on. I was hoping for a gunner card. Yeah. Poyos. Take that and take the polyloop. Thoughts? Yeah. That's basically the spaces. Yeah. More shurikens. I'm wondering if we're keeping those. I'm not sure. How did that end up so far away? We can do the math on if we want to sit on it and let it cook up for stage 4. That's definitely something we can do. Could. Question is, should we? Because I really am not a... Like, with Clover, Polyloot, and the second ATG, I'm just not really worried about the first 4 phases. It's just not scary. Phase 4 is. Right? Alright, no more stall. It's just a TP. Oh, please. Oh, please. Good damage. Give it to me. That's it. Oh my god. This is going to be a very fast Mithrix fight. Oh, there it is, baby. And he dropped a attack speed. What actual speed? Jesus Christ, I'm too fast. This is one of those runs where Clover just implodes the whole thing. Yeah, with the laser scope as well on the crit. Yeah, I'll take another sticky bomb, yes. Yes. Hello. Monster tooth. Oh. Okay. Scrapper time. It's gonna take a while. Alright. I mean, I got a ton of scrap. The run is crazy, though. Like, our damage is absurd. That's for sure. Oh, am I gonna have to do pillars? I don't know how to... What's it called? Skip. Do the new one. I probably should have thought about that. Okay, wow. Okay. I guess we will get another predatory. And then reroll whips. Reroll whips. This stinks. Wow. These are some rerolls. Wow. I didn't reroll into a single usable item. That's insane. Scorpion's good. And DS is chill. It's fine, I guess. I'm just taking the war banners, whatever. Bro. You can take the Lysate, or just reroll the Vand. Yeah, let's just reroll the Vands. You got the Lysate anyways. Alright. Alright, let's do it. I mistimed that. I'm early. I missed. I'm just bad. Yeah, that damage is pretty good. Yeah. So, not that damage, huh? Alright, just don't get owned by pizza and we'll be fine. Oh my, wow. Curveball. Does he even get time because he's dropping? He might not have time to do the pizza animation. Yeah. That's pretty good damage. Oh my gosh. Ow. I got crossed up, dude. Alright. That's good. Dude, that was so bad. My game froze mid phase 4. Okay. Oh my god, there we go. Oh, finally. Hello, early night. That feels good. Good run. That was a bad one, but it's fine. Yeah, that was crazy damage. It's the fastest I've burned through Mithrix before. Or this Umbral, at least. That was crazy. Yeah, a lot of damage. I was so worried I was going to mess up that phase 4 when it froze like that. That was worrisome a bit. By the way, it's probably better to take spaces there. Like, that... I was so confident in the run, the damage that I would have with Polyloot, that I knew All I needed was 1 spaces, and that's all I ended up needing, was one of my... Yes. They would do the same thing there. Is that a no-hit phase 4?